Here we are at Burger King. Oh my gosh. Okay, so what are you gonna get to eat?
Oh, I think I want some of their onion rings. I like their onion rings. They're good.
Roll down your window and order.
Okay.
Where do you order at?
Oh, I
Where's
don't
the
know. We
speaker?
haven't passed it.
I don't know.
Oh, it's raining.
It
Sharon,
is?
It's raining.
But it was so sunny.
Look at that.
Wait,
I
hold on.
know.
Let me-
The rain just came
I
on
don't-
us like this. And it's raining and
But it was so
oh,
sunny.
look at that.
Oh my gosh.
Oh
What
my
is this? A
goodness.
tornado?
Oh my God! Look at that! Oh, it looks like something from the sea.
I'm scared. Wait. I got it. This isn't Burger King.
It's not Burger King.
No, it's not Taco Bell.
Not Taco
It's not Whataburger.
No. What is it? Oh, shit.
We did it. We made it to the car wash.
Oh, we're at the car
We're at the car wash. We finally made it to the car wash. Look.
It's one of those automatic.
Oh, automatic car wash.
Automatic car wash.
Wow. I'm so excited.
Whiskers.
We finally made it.
Oh, it's Burger King. I thought we were going to get some hamburgers.
Yeah, I really wanted a Whopper.
A Whopper.
Nothing ever works out in life. You go to a car wash, you want a Burger
They should
King.
have hamburgers at the
You
car
go to
wash.
Whataburger. They should. Onion rings and margaritas.
Margarita.
Okay, well, we're going to go enjoy our car wash. Bye!
Oh,